Well, that's great. Trossard's now out. It's just, can it get any worse? Can it get any worse after Tottenham beating Arsenal 1-0? Trossard coming on the 68th minute, getting injured. We had to bring on Reece Nelson. Trossard now, the move to Dortmund, it looks like it's going to be off. We're going to be getting more updates on the actual injury, but this ain't looking good. This ain't looking good at all. And once again, this is why I said to move on these players as soon as possible. This is why when we was getting Kepa through the door, Norgard through the door, we was getting all these other players, I was like, we need to get rid of a lot of these players. We need to move on a lot of these players. And now look, one of the players that we could have made the biggest money on, got the biggest sale from, all of a sudden, he's injured now. He's injured. So what we're going to do? We're going to do the Tomiyasu. We're going to rip up his contract. What is it that we're going to do? Honestly, it's just, this should have been, we already knew the situation with Trossard before getting to this position. We knew that Trossard didn't like the manager. There was a falling out. Just get the guy gone. Like, I just don't understand. Like, this club moves so slow, and we always are reactive instead of proactive. And the annoyance is, if you saw the Spurs game, what were we doing down the left-hand side? Frustrating, not putting enough chances away, not killing our chances. It's boring. That's how boring it is. I'm yawning. That's how boring it is. You know what I mean? I've just had enough. I've kind of had enough of us taking our time in selling these players when we have opportunities to get rid of them and we don't take them. And then it's all reactive settings. It's all, you know, I don't really get it. I don't really get it. The fact that Dortmund were weighing up the option to bring him in, that's probably off the table now. You know what I mean? That's off the table. Obviously, they sold Gittins to Chelsea, but that's off the table now. So I don't know what other club's going to be in for Trossard. You know what I mean? He's going to pay the wages and pay a decent fee. I'm not too sure. There's also reports that Arsenal are thinking twice about getting rid of Trossard. So it's all up in the air right now. It's all up in the air right now. This is alongside Mala Eze's release clause, looking like it's looking like the end of the transfer window. That release clause expires. That's a market opportunity. Why don't we go? I'm tired of saying the same thing. When you look at the game against Tottenham today, which this coming out tomorrow, so it'll be yesterday. We could have done with an Eze. We could have done with a player like that. We could have done with an Embuemo, but let him go to Man United. There's a lot of players we could have done with, and we just let them go. We just let them move on. I'm just honestly feeling like there ain't nothing changing. I mean, to be fair, against Tottenham, it wasn't just because of the players. It was more the managers, more Arteta, the fact that he doesn't change his system. But let's not kid ourselves. There are still positions that we need to strengthen. So we need to sell some players to be able to do that. We still need to go out there and get players that are able to have that individual brilliance and get us over the line. And at the moment, Trossard is just not one of those players. And it's a shame because I do think Trossard has talent, but yeah, he just doesn't produce it on a weekly basis under this manager. Not that he's the only one that does that, but this could have been avoided. And there's so many times I look at this club and I think this could have been avoided. Selling Trossard could have been avoided. We already knew how the player felt. We knew how the player felt months ago. Months ago, we should have lined up a buyer for when the transfer window opens. Boom. Do you know what I mean? But I just don't really get it. Like, I don't really get it. Now, all of a sudden, we better hope it's not a big injury. You know what I mean? It's not something serious because otherwise he's staying put. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how things go when it comes to Trossard. But yeah, Gabriel Jesus, another one, reportedly is unlikely to leave. Jesus has been linked with a possible move away from Arsenal this summer. A speculation around his future grows during his ongoing recovery from a long-term injury. The amount of injuries, you can't lie, the amount of injuries that we're getting. Gabriel's out, obviously Jesus, bro. It's a lot of injuries. The Brazilian forward remains a notable figure in the squad, but his role is now under greater scrutiny following recent developments at the club. Bro, let's just get rid of this guy, man. When is he going to be fit enough so that we can just sell him? You know what I mean? When Jesus gets fit enough, I don't even want to see him any game time. I just want to see him sold. I don't want to see no game time from Jesus. Literally, just let him hold bench. We got Gyökeres. We got Flipping Moreno that's producing more than this guy at the moment in time. Like, we don't need to see Jesus on the pitch doing anything. Protect him and sell him. That's it. No club, what was it quoted? As cited by Sport Witness, one source suggests that while discussions exist, the primary reason nothing has progressed is simply his injury status. It went on to say no club wants a player on his way back from a long-term injury, the report notes, underlining the difficulty in generating genuine interest for a player who is not yet fully fit. January exit could be more likely for Jesus given the current situation. An immediate transfer seems unlikely. Jesus is still recovering and has yet to return to full training, which makes it difficult for any potential suitor to commit a deal at this stage. So I'm saying, okay, no. Tired of hearing this club saying they're going to sell players. Please, for the love of God, do not allow this guy to play any more games. Any more games. I want to see Jesus just hold bench. He's not going to help us. He's not an incredible super sub. He's not going to do anything that's mind blowing. Do you know what I mean? So let's let him hold bench. And yeah, we can cash in when it's time to cash in. That's it. You know what I mean? All the players are injury prone. Just protect them. Don't play them much and just sell them. If you can't sell them this window, sell them next window. It is what it is. I don't really want to hear nothing about no project, no process, no, maybe he can develop. I don't want to hear any of it. I genuinely don't want to hear any of it. Make sure this guy's gone. And yeah, man, it is what it is. Trossard and Jesus, both bench players, both players that we should have been already looking at suitors to come in and get from the team. But once again, we're struggling to sell. We're struggling to sell. We're struggling to keep these players fit on top of that. And we'll see what happens. We will see what happens, man. Big up to everyone that is locked in. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. Let me know what you guys think about Trossard and Jesus. If you would still think they can do something for the squad, for the team, for the club. It's a myth. It's really a myth. I mean, the fact that we still have Martinelli and Trossard, I mean, the next one to go is Martinelli. The next one to get injured is Martinelli. Then we can't shift him on. Do you know what I mean? Then Kivio gets injured. We can't shift him on. Like, it's just a non-stop cycle of mismanaging players' injuries, minutes, and mismanaging contracts and that. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. So listen, we'll see how it goes. And we need to make some sales. We need to make some sales. We need to shift some players. Big up to everyone that's locked in. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. No seja filho da puta. No seja marica da merda. And yeah, man, you think Dortmund can still come back in for Trossard? We will see. We will see. Hopefully nothing serious, nothing long-term, nothing that stops us getting rid of the player this window, ideally. Because we need a left winger that's going to hold that down. And we're yet still have one. So big up to everyone that's locked in, and I'm out, familiar. Love.